Hello everyone, this is a winter service and checklist on a Sunseeker X5. So we'll turn it upside down. You check underneath the machine for any cracks or damages. This is a clean down of the machine. So first of all, we'll just get airline. I'd normally would give it a blow down and then I would spray a bit of detergent on it. And then just give it a quick brush and just give it a wipe. Okay, this is just taking the top cover off the machine to fully check the chassis and everything else on the machine. So we fully take off the cover, and now we check the chassis for any marks or scratches or cracks. We check the camera lens. Yep, everything seems good. And everything seems good on this end. So I have the machine back together. Now I want to connect it to the computer and do final tests, like check the wheel motors and check the blade motor and all that kind of stuff. So I'll just open it up there now and turn on the machine. Now we go to our computer and we're connecting through Bluetooth. Now we are connected to the machine. Now we're going to see, is there any software update required? Firmware update. And according to the computer, we are okay. So we want to now test wheel motors and blade motors and check our functionality on camera and lift and collision. Okay, our bumper is working. Lift is working. Our camera is working normally. Our battery voltage is okay. It's showing 59% charge. We'll just test our LED light. Yep, we're good. We will test our display. Yep, we're good. Our steering motor is okay, just calibrated. Our front wheels, our cutter motor, our rear wheel, what I want to do now is just check our battery and make sure it's charging. So we'll push it into a docking station. And yeah, it's charging. Okay, I'm just checking the blades and make sure that they're sharp and tightened. So that looks good. That looks good. That looks good. Do a finalized clean down, so I just spray a bit of this on it and get a cloth. I'm just finalizing the full service by getting the documentations right and clicking on the repair records on the computer to make sure that everything is on record for next time it comes in for service. This is just packing it away for the winter after being serviced with the RTK antenna. So I'm just putting a bit of bubble wrap around it, just to protect it. And we'll put it in beside the machine and that'll be ready for the season next year.